Tory, with your expertise in Mexico, can you give me a bit of background to financial services and the financial services industry here in Mexico?
Yeah, so if you look at really the needs of the industry here, you have about 50 some odd banks that are, they have their own products and services that they offer their clients, but there's almost 130 million people in Mexico, and 90% plus of those transactions are done in cash, and that represents a lot of different problems, especially as you look to the way that digitally everybody is moving. Everybody has a phone, a device, their subscriptions, their different services that electronic payments are central to. So in a market that's dominated by cash, it makes it tricky to pay for your Spotify account, or to do different things like get an Uber. So I think that if you look at Mexico and what the financial industry is like in Mexico, there's a lot of opportunity to get these different products and really what they call financial inclusion, but bring that into people's hands.
Mexico is still predominantly a cash-based market. How can this actually enable Mexico to leapfrog more mature financial markets like Europe or the United States when it comes to this payment tech and helping financial inclusion?
Yeah, I think it's really exciting actually that it is a cash-based model, because you're really starting with the grand majority of the population that have not had ever an experience with be it a bank or financial institution, and you have these new fintech providers and companies, program managers that are able to offer these specific solutions and focused user experiences that solve those different issues that people generally aren't getting what they need from banks or other existing institutions. So I think it's an exciting opportunity, because fintech and fintech companies are really good at focusing on that user experience, which is what I feel like is lacking in a lot of the more legacy models or issuers. And so being able to take the grand population that has not had a good experience or an experience at all, and couple that with a financial institution like a fintech or a Klar here in Mexico, that is really tailoring everything around the needs of that customer, so that their first taste of electronic payments is a pleasant one, and one that gets them excited about kind of this digital world that we're living in now.